In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to start a YouTube channel as a beginner. Because I still remember when I actually want to created my YouTube channel, there are a lot of things I actually study and what I need to know before I even jump in creating a content and posting on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you at least 6 YouTube tips you have to know before you even record a video, before you even post on your YouTube channel. As a beginner, the first thing you need to know is which kind of content you actually want to be making. Which kind of niche do you actually want to belong to? Because this one is very, very important. You need to have a niche, and that your niche must be either rich or not rich. It depends on what you can actually speak about for more than 1 hour. Everybody has their own choices, everybody has what they actually likes and their preference. So I like to talk about how to create something, and also I like to talk about sport. So I created channel based on all these kind of two niches. So I usually teach people how to create YouTube channel, how to build their YouTube channel, and also how to improve their YouTube channel, and start getting views, start getting subscribers, and become successful. So just ensure you know one thing you can easily speak about, you can easily teach people, because you need to know this before you even start creating channel. You cannot just create channel and be posting anything you actually like. No, you need to create what you actually love, what you can continue to talk about for more than 1 year, for more than 2 years, because there will be a time whereby you might likely want to burn out. That's why I said it is what you like to make content on. That is what you should create your YouTube channel for. Now, the second YouTube tips I actually want you to know is the kind of gadget you actually want to be using. Now, if you actually want to be making videos, recording yourself without using I think you have some gears that you need to be using. Let's say you need camera, you need audio, equipment. Let's say when I actually want to create my YouTube channel, I was saying which kind of camera am I going to use, because there are a lot of cameras out there. They are very, very expensive. So mostly I have phone, and that's what we can easily afford. That is phone. Not every phone has good camera quality. So I struggle a lot to get phone that easily have good camera quality. But before that, I started my YouTube channel with what I have, with the kind of phone I'm using. I started my YouTube channel with it. Then at the end of the day, I start upgrading my GS. I upgraded my phone from Techno to Infinix, from Infinix to Samsung. That's how I continue to improve my GS, and that's how you should know that yes, all these things, where you start up, you can continue to improve and continue to upgrade your YouTube channel. So the audio quality, I think I get portable microphone. Yes, that time it is no more than 3,000. I just bought it, and that is what I'm using in recording my audio. So you should know that yes, you need something for camera and something for audio. So you can start with what you have. Doesn't matter whether you don't have big cameras or not. No, just start your YouTube channel with what you have. That is the second YouTube tips you actually need to know. Now, the third YouTube tips you actually need to know is how to create a YouTube channel. Because if you just create a YouTube channel without knowing anything about it, your videos might not get discovered, and you might be missing a lot of settings which can easily take your videos to be recommended by the YouTube algorithm. Because one thing I learned is that after creating YouTube channel, I learned how to how to optimize the YouTube channel, and also how to set up my YouTube channel so that it can get discovered. Because first thing you need to do is you need to verify your phone number with your YouTube channel so that it can be recognized by the YouTube. And also I ensure that I do my face authentication. All these kind of things are very, very essential for the YouTube channel to be visible, and also for the YouTube channel to be recommended by YouTube on different kind of social media platform, likes of Google, likes of Yahoo search, and also just so many websites like that. So that is the third thing I do. I learn how to post on YouTube. So you should actually study how YouTube works, and also learn how to post on YouTube correctly, because there's something they call YouTube Studio. All these kind of things, many people, most especially the beginners, they don't actually know if there's something they call YouTube Studio. And this one is very, very important. That's where you post your videos, and get it recommended by YouTube. Now, the fourth YouTube tips I actually want you to know is how YouTube actually works. It's very, very important for you to know how YouTube works, because YouTube is different from any other kind of social media platform. YouTube is a search engine optimization whereby you need to know how to write compelling title. You need to know how to create a curiosity thumbnail, because these two things actually work better and actually make videos to get a lot of views if they are properly, created. So I equally learn how to write good title. I learn from other creators how they title their videos. So it depends on any niche you are. Just learn from those people who are there before you. Learn how they are writing their title. The same thing with thumbnail. Thumbnail actually attracts people to click on video. If your thumbnail is not attractive enough, if it is not well light enough, if the contrast is too low, people might not click on your videos. And if people did not click on your videos, how do you want to get view? How do you want to get subscribers? So that's how I learn how YouTube actually works. You need to know how to create title, you need to know how to create thumbnail, and also how to write descriptions. So all these things are some of the essential tools you actually need to know before you even create your YouTube channel. It's very, very important. Now, the fifth YouTube tips I actually want to share with you is how many videos you have to post before you are after creating your YouTube channel. How many videos you have to post? Because if you just create your YouTube channel and make just one video and then post it on your YouTube channel, and you are expecting lots of views, you are expecting, many subscribers, I'm telling you, it is a lie. Because the first video you actually posted, it will only be there. Sometimes it might not have more than one view, or let me say more than two views for the next 1 month. Why? Because you have not established your history on this YouTube channel. That is why you need to prepare at least 5 videos, or let me say 10 videos after you created your YouTube channel. Just post all these 5 videos or 10 videos onto your YouTube channel and wait and see the reaction. Because if you can post like 10 videos on your YouTube channel, I think it is enough for the YouTube algorithm to know that yes, this channel has enough content, and it will start recommending it on different kind of platform, most especially on the YouTube search. So that's what you actually need to know. Know how many videos you are going to post, not just one, not two, at least 5 or 10. Just post it anytime. You can even post it at once. So this is what they call history. So, and that's how you can start improving your channel, and that's how you can start getting views, starting getting subscribers. That's when you'll be happy with the work you do. So the sixth thing I actually want you to know is consistency. YouTube actually based on consistency. If you continue to post on the kind of content you are making, you continue to improve your content, you continue to check your YouTube analytics and get where you are lacking behind, and also how you can improve your content. So that's how you can easily make it on this YouTube platform. You need to learn how to be consistent, because there will be a time you will likely be burnt out. What if you are posting many videos and your videos are not getting views? Won't you feel discouraged? Yes, actually, it is true. You will feel discouraged. So that's why you need to be consistency. That's why the first thing is to know the kind of niche you like to talk about for longer period of time, that you will not be burnt out. And that's how you can stay true and stay put and stay consistency with the kind of content you are making. So with these 6 YouTube tips I've shared with you, I believe if you can follow them and you actually understand them very well, you will get your channel created and you start getting views immediately without delaying much over time. So if you find this video very helpful, I hope you subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, like the video, make a comment. Thank you guys.
Yeah.